Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW X3 guys and you need to remove or replace your crankshaft pulley guys, also known as harmonic bouncer or serpentine belt pulley guys. Stay with us, we will explain guys what needs to be done to remove it, to take it off, to replace it. Now if that pulley gets bad, you can experience guys vibrations, engine vibrations, weird noises coming out of there, destroyed serpentine belt. It can even destroy your front crankshaft seal guys, and if the belt comes off, your alternator will not be charging, your power steering will not be working, your AC compressor will not be working guys. So it can cause so many things. Now on the older engines used in the X3s, I think it's the M54 engine where the water pump is driven by the belt, actually you can overheat the engine too. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy a new pulley, belt, parts, tools guys, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below where you can find that and get it guys, usually for a very good price. So before we start, we have the front end taken apart here guys. We have the radiator fan removed, as you can see. You don't need to do any of that stuff. Okay, that's our fan right there. But you can do it without removing anything, but we'll be doing so many videos on the engine, so we decided to take things apart and show you guys how to do that. That engine, the same engine can be found in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 guys, X1 and 1 Series BMW, one of the most popular engines. Doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 6 cylinder engine, removing the serpentine belt pulley, crankshaft pulley will be about the same guys. What I recommend, okay guys, you have the radiator fan on, remove, disconnect your car battery guys, because the radiator fan will be here and what will happen actually, it can activate and catch your fingers, cut them off guys. So you have to be extremely careful, disconnect the car battery. Now it really matters on modern vehicles guys, which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. Otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system, engine, computer modules, and we did something like that in the past that cost us quite a bit of money. So I'll put the link to the video that explains how to disconnect the car battery on modern car. Check it out, very important guys. Link will be in the description of the video below. Now this is your pulley. It's actually the pulley that moves the serpentine belt. So right here it has a bushing, okay, and on the other side too, the whole pulley is a bushing, a rubber bushing, so it catches the vibrations guys. But if that bushing goes bad, that will get wobbly and it can destroy the belt can come off and you will feel vibrations. You need to remove the belt first. Find your tensioner, depending on the engine that you have, that's what the tensioner looks like. Okay, get in the slot, go clockwise, it takes quite a bit of tension, remove the belt. Now the easiest way to remove the pulley now, never ever get the center bolt loose, because that's holding your timing chain components. Otherwise you will screw up your engine and you will need a new engine guys, because you can bend valves and pretty much you need to rebuild the engine or get a new one. Get a 22mm offset box wrench, hold the pulley like that, okay, and start taking, okay, the bolts loose. Perfect. Now two more on this side, because you don't want to spin the engine backwards guys, because sometimes, okay, the timing can skip if you go backwards. Now without being loose, we'll just take the bolts off. Instead of going by hand, we'll cheat a little bit with this, with a little impact, since we don't have the fan here in the way. Perfect. Okay, and now guys, okay, this is the crankshaft pulley right here, the bushing I was talking about, that rubberized bushing. Okay, it's all the way on the back right here as well, you can see. So that's what's causing guys, okay, all that trouble. Now we have a leak from the front crankshaft seal, and we have a video how to replace that one as well. It's coming very soon to the channel, so please check it out guys. Another thing, you need a special tool for that crankshaft seal, otherwise you can cause damage to your engine block. If you want to see how to install the pulley, okay, practically it's in reverse order, we took it apart, but you need to know the torque specs. We'll have a video coming about a crankshaft pulley torque specs on BMW. So please check it out, because different engines will use different torque specs. We'll demonstrate on N52 6-cylinder engine. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.